Look, this isn't some sci-fi story or a distant threat. AI automation is already ripping through jobs and will tear through many more before anyone blinks. Founders, investors, leaders, you know this pain all too well. You're stuck watching industries die or change overnight, teams getting replaced by code, and the whole system acting like it's just the next step in progress. But beneath that surface, it feels like a punch in the gut, right? Like the rules you learned no longer make sense. Frustration piles up when your smartest people get shuffled out because a machine does their work cheaper, faster, with zero complaints. Watching your own relevance slip through your fingers, that's a rage that doesn't quit. But here's the brutal truth. Nobody's coming to save you, and crying about job loss won't flip the switch. So the real question is, how do you not only survive this, but own it? How do you turn the machines from cold adversaries into your most powerful allies? Stop thinking like a victim and start thinking like the person who controls how this changes the game. First, forget the idea that AI is just about replacing work. That's a dead end. What's coming is total transformation of value. Work isn't disappearing. It's just being reborn in new, unpredictable forms. The catch? Most founders and leaders can't see those new forms yet because they're stuck playing defense, fighting yesterday's battles. Here's the first real step. Stop trying to automate existing jobs or processes and start reinventing what those jobs could be when AI operates at scale. Innovate by design, not by default. Next, upskill isn't a buzzword here. It's absolute survival. But you need to go beyond traditional learning. Get your people into radical reskilling programs that teach them how to build with AI, not just use it. Programming AI? Understanding its limits and manipulations? Teaching your team to fix AI's mistakes instead of just watching it fail? That's where the real edge is. The biggest mistake is thinking AI will work like a magic wand. You have to wrestle it, own it, and push it into new spaces where humans shine best. Creativity, strategic thinking, empathy, ethics. Be the place where AI can't replace your team because they're constantly evolving around it. Here's a secret many don't dare say out loud. AI won't kill work as much as it will kill mediocrity. The middle gets wiped out first. The average player, the one who waits for instructions or sticks to the old playbook, that person is toast. So if you want your career, your company, your portfolio to matter in this AI world, get comfortable burning your old skills and mindsets. Hunt down deeper, sharper abilities. Lean into cross-disciplinary thinking and break your work into smaller, AI-safe parts. Parts that need real human judgment, gut feel, moral sense. That is your new moat. And if you run a company, don't just automate for cost cutting. Use AI to build new business lines nobody else is thinking about. Don't mimic your competitors. Outthink them. Find ways to use AI as a lever to create products and services that didn't exist before. That's how you protect yourself from commoditization. You build what AI can't copy because it's rooted in deeply human insight, culture, or unpredictable complexity. Lastly, build networks. Real, tight networks of people who get this shift. Stop just locking yourself inside your org chart or old investor groups. Connect with other founders, operators, investors who obsess about AI the way you do. Share what you learn, where you fail, how you reroute your strategies. This isn't a solo fight. It never was. The people who crack out of this mess together will be the ones who dominate the future. So yes, AI is ending human labor as we know it. It will crush jobs, businesses, old ways of working, but that's just the brutal cleanup. The fire after that? It's your chance to reinvent, to build smarter systems with AI, to create roles humans love, roles machines can't touch. But it only happens if you get ruthless about where to play, how to train, who to partner with, and never settle for the safe path. Stop whining about what's lost. Get busy building what's next, because if you don't, someone else will. You want a future where you call the shots? The time to act is now, and there's no excuse left for waiting. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.